Everyone take a step back, everyone, please.
Good.
Hello.
Well,
Lovely morning.
It's so lovely. It's beautiful here. Do you have a nice journey?
Yes, very.
Just wanted to tell them to come back after half an hour, and they're coming back. You said half an hour, is the table still not ready? So you sometimes feel that you're rushing the tables out. And, so it's lovely.
We'll have to get some recipe tips.
Top secret recipe.
Yeah, top secret.
I like this is the bar at the back as well. It's really cool.
Absolutely.
That's all been designed by the children.
Is it?
Yeah, so
And will you tell us how do you do rice perfectly? I've got to ask you guys, do you know how to do rice perfectly? When I cook rice, I always end up it's always too soggy.
Okay.
How you guys do rice? Because in here, the speed you're doing the rice down.
Actually, we follow the recipe for that, like 2,000 of water, 1,000 of rice,
Yep.
and double what is the measurement of everything.
Yeah, I try that, but my rice never turns out like your rice would turn out. It frustrates me so much.
Do
I can never get good rice.
give him the secret recipe.
I need to know the secret recipe.
Why are you giving him?
2,
1, go.
We need to get in that corner too.
Some of the dry.
I thought it was going to be slowly, lightly,
Okay.
Just straight out.
Yeah, just slowly. Yeah.
Okay, so
And on?
Just like
Oh, that didn't go so well.
I think we're going to have a clear winner.
It looks like a really ill bit of pasta.
I tried to make a pancake the other day and
Oh well, this is going too well.
Yeah, we put the rotis down.
So what are the popular cocktails?
yeah. So,
Oh, go on. The Indian Streatery.
It's Indian Streatery, how can I help? Yes.
Sorry?
What street are we on?
Belitsil.
Belitsia.
Belitsil.
We're on Belitsia Street. You've got a train at 3. Okay. I think you could probably get in at 2:30. That'd be fine. For 2 people?
we have one more side already.
Yeah, the other
side.
side.
You're not in the train. Maybe 2:15 you can make it. You make the train at 3.
No, we've got some guests in that are probably not going to leave by then. We don't have any tables free.
The time right now is 12. Okay. 2:15. 2:15. What name is it under? Okay. Vinay. Okay. Vinay.
Okay.
Okay. We see you at 2:15. Okay.
Your name is?
Bye bye.
I don't believe this.
If he knows where you are now, I probably sent him somewhere else in Birmingham. So
There we go. Oh, what about the cherry? Lovely. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Brilliant! Brilliant!
Have you been here?
Catherine's a good one.
I have been there. I'm brought back.
Nice to see you all. Okay. You're going for a curry. We're barricading your way. Oh yeah, where is he?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.